Good evening all, and welcome back to the channel. So this evening I've taken a drive over to Sandgate, and I'm going to try and do a little bit of squid fishing. The weather is really flat calm. It's been quite stormy the last few days, but I'm going to give it a go and see whether the water has cleared out a little bit. Morning guys, so I am now just on my way down to the beach. So this evening I have got my Daiwa Ninja reel loaded with some 10-pound braid and just using like a 20-pound amnesia line at the end as like a shock leader, if you like. And then I'm using my Pen Regiment spinning rod, which is 10 foot. Got a really nice tip action. You can see there that. Right guys, so what I am using here is the Tronix Pro Squid Hunter. So I'm just going to charge this up with a UV torch. There we go. Beautiful. And just hovering it over the jig, which will charge it up, and there we go. That bright as you like. So this is the Titan waste bag. Now I've brought this with me to go and do some squid fishing purely because, as you can see in here, I can stick like a spool of line, a secondary one. I can put in there like some spares like clips, hooks and some beads, and then you've got a big sort of main compartment which I can put all my squid jigs in, and also another little tackle box as well. The material on this is really tough, and I can also use the other side, put a rig in and another spare spool of line. So these are well worth getting. They're quite thick as well, so you've got it quite wide to go across your waist, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable. And then you can literally just fasten it like so, go around your waist. Definitely recommend Titan products. They are absolutely brilliant. I also can use my Berkeley line clipper to just put it on the edge there like that, so that's hanging freely as well. But the good thing is as well, you can go roving with this because you've got like everything all in that waste bag. Right guys, I've bumped into Simon Newman down on the beach here, and look at the size of these squid that have come
Monsters.
in. Absolutely, look at that. I don't think I've ever seen these so big down here.
No, they're the biggest I've ever caught off the shore.
Yeah, that is impressive. Oh, that is absolutely stunning, that is.
I've caught one bigger in Brighton
Have you
the
really?
marina.
Wow.
So
God,
that's by far the biggest I've had.
they are monsters. Oh, I like the way you. Is that the Savage Gear ones you're using? Savage Gear, is
that
it?
was the Yamashita copy, I think.
Oh, okay.
Or it might be a real Yamashita, and that's one
Wow.
of Roman Greco's ones.
Oh, well, I'm on my second one now. Oh, these stunning creatures, aren't they? Look at that. It's called an Electronics Pro jig. What do you think?